Hey, this is Rod from Coins, Currency, and Collectibles. Thank you for tuning in today. We have a recycled junk silver collection bag that we want to sell to any people who just buy junk silver and wants to melt it down, maybe put it in the bars. We did an episode on this last video, and first of all, I want to shout out to our comments and our viewers. I noticed they were correct. Kudos to you. We did have a fake Morgan silver dollar and a fake other Morgan. It was clad, it was fake, and it got mixed in with our silver pile, which I didn't know, but we had an astute viewer, a comment that told us that it was. We researched it and he or she was absolutely correct. So we want to thank you. We do read all those comments and we learn from you as well. So we do want to thank you. I wish I could remember the name of the person who pointed out to us, but they were absolutely correct. So it was fake, the Morgan silver dollar and the other Morgan, but there are real Morgans in it that are silver. But I just want to thank you viewers for pointing that out. So we really appreciate that. We learn a lot from you as well. But today, Bobby decided to sell our recycled silver that we got from a customer to our viewers because they may want to get some scrap silver that you can get under melt and then melt it and make it into silver bars, or some people use it for jewelry. And so I have my friend Rich here. He's going to show you the bag, tell you all the details about this sale and how much silver is in this bag and the price. So I just, once again, I want to thank you for tuning in. Make sure you give us a thumbs up too. We really appreciate that too. But let me get this camera around and point you over to Rich. Okay, Rich, there you go.
Greetings. Well, Rodney, they talk about the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, but This is not it. This is the bag of mangled up silver behind the dumpster.
And Rich, in that bag, how many ounces of silver is in that bag?
We've got 34.5 ounces.
About 34.5 ounces of junk silver.
Yes, sir. And this stuff has been through the conveyor belts at the recycling center and got salvaged out of there. And
is there a way you can just pour it out?
I can show you what we've got here. I mean, I'll just have to say
this is all 90% silver right here.
Yeah, and it's amazing because Ben, George, and Franklin have never looked so poorly as they do right here, baby. I don't think you'll ever look at that. They never look that bad.
That's pretty bad.
Yeah, bad for those guys. I feel a little bad for them, but we're gonna
and
find
Bobby,
a good home for
we
them.
were gonna sell this in the store, but we figure. She said, let's do something for the viewers for pointing it out in the last video and how they were real keen eye and picked out the bad coins that were listed as silver that actually weren't. And so I said, that's a great idea. And so Rich is actually going through these approximately 34.5 ounces of silver. What was the total melt value, Rich, did we come up with on that?
Yeah, based on
pricing?
Based on the price of silver just a little while ago, we calculated the melt value at about $1,119.
So $1,119 is the approximate value of this amount of silver. And what are we selling it for, Rich, including taxes? I mean, including shipping fees and credit card fees.
And with both of those, credit card and shipping, we're going to sell it at $1,060.
$1,060,
right?
Which is about $60 or close to $60 under melt.
Right.
So if you're looking for junk silver to melt it down for bars or you know, you want to make jewelry out of it, whatever the case, this is a good time to buy some junk silver. And we're going to go in here and...
Yeah, you can see we got some generic rounds here. Here's a Christmas round. We've got a couple of peace dollars. We got some Morgans in here.
Yeah, these Morgans now are legit. There was a couple.
These are Eagles. There's a couple of Eagles.
They were fake or clad.
And we tested all this. We sigmaed all of this and verified its silver content. So
we did test this. We tested all before we put this video up. So you talk about scrap silver. We've got to know. Yes, this stuff is pitiful. But who cares if you're going to melt it? Because it's all going to look brand new once you melt it.
That's right. We like
you can put it into 10-ounce bars, 5-ounce bars, whatever. But we have it here.
Yes. some more.
and we'll ship it to your door.
That's right, and basically, right, we're selling it for $1,000 because the credit card fee and the shipping fee is the $60
It's all
over the
wrapped up
$1,000.
in it, huh?
Yeah, so we're really selling, about $119 of melt value really selling it for $1,000,
Yeah.
and then it's just fees on top of
So
that.
this is a really a great deal, and if those who are interested in getting some scrap silver at this price, like I said, it's close to $60 under melt, the scrap silver.
Yeah, at least.
Do you want to show us where they can call? Can you hold up the business card and show who
Right
we can
here.
call? This is who you can call. You can call Bobby at 706-499-4833. We are in the store now. It is after hours, but we had to get this video out because we really want you to know that this stuff is available to you, the viewer, YouTube. We just want to thank you all faithfully for tuning in every week. We do appreciate it, and we can tell Bobby's back because she's starting the specials again.
That's
And,
right.
we got the silver. We got more videos coming down the pike as well. But let me get one more look over all this silver.
Look at this
And,
one, Roddy. That thing's ready to get
oh
melted
my
right
goodness,
there,
it looks
baby.
like a tiger chew through that thing. But yeah, I'm gonna go through this pile so you guys can see a closer look at this mangled silver coins here. And it's just really, like I said, the owner that sold this to us owned a metal recycling company, and he actually took this out of what came in.
Right, he pulled it off the belt, he said. I
off
think
the-
he said he
but
pulled it off
It
the...
wasn't in one day or 1 week. This is over a
Right.
period of time, and then he gathered a bunch of it and decided to sell it to us. So anyway, this is what we have here for you today. Like I said, we have $1,119 in
Melt.
melt value right here, and we're selling it for $1,060. So
Right, shipping and credit
yeah,
card
so your
included.
shipping and credit card as well is in this fee. So just want you to really see this stuff right here a lot closer. It is really bad stuff, but like you said, who cares when you melt it, right? But
That's
anyway,
exactly it. Exactly
make sure you give us a thumbs up and a comment. We appreciate the comments. We read all the comments. We got called out on last comments, but it was a good calling out because it helped us to maintain integrity, and the viewer was absolutely correct. So we just want to thank that young man or young lady who pointed out to us that, and they were certainly correct. So we appreciate you guys. And like I said, we're learning as we go as well. We're not experts by any stretch of the imagination, but we also want to be people of integrity. So thank you all very much for tuning in. We love you guys, and may the first one call gets this unique package of 34.5 ounces of silver approximately. Have a good day. God bless you all.